You've probably heard that the world has changed forever with the recent introduction of revolutionary AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney. But is AI going to take your job in 2023? The answer is, it depends. I'm going to answer that and also share how you can protect yourself from the rise of the machines. So let's go. Now, I'm not going to bore you with technical jargon like generative pre-training transformer, but there has been an explosion of AI services in just the last couple of months. These new tools focus on AI writing tools such as ChatGPT or Jasper, or they focus on text-to-image tools, creating amazing art and images with tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and the new one from Google Muse, which created this image, by the way. But see, how the hell can a writing tool or a computer image generator possibly threaten my job? Well, let me tell you, this latest batch of AI tools is pretty incredible. ChatGPT can write jokes, poems, school essays, or emails for work. ChatGPT can write marketing or training materials, YouTube scripts, even legal documents. It can even program code and create apps. Text-to-image creators like DALL-E or Midjourney can design incredible images for thumbnails, marketing materials, even new company logos. But you're probably thinking, see, these things can't be very good. My job can't really be on the line. So is AI going to take my job or not? Well, first, if we haven't met, my name is C. I'm a senior executive by day and a YouTuber at night on a mission to revolutionize your career and your income, accelerate your career success, and cut through the BS. This disguise allows me to do just that and still protect my family and my own career. So the answer to whether AI is going to take your job, the answer is AI is absolutely beginning to replace jobs, and it's accelerating at the speed of technological innovation, meaning it's going faster and faster all the time. Here's the very interesting thing though. Everyone used to think that when AI caught on, it would replace the very lowest level jobs like fast food and retail workers. But then it might take over the low level white collar jobs and maybe, just maybe, but probably not, replace high level white collar or creative jobs. But in reality, it's happening exactly in the opposite direction. AI is actually replacing higher paying technical and creative jobs like copywriters, artists, even lawyers, thank goodness. It's also replacing knowledge worker roles such as programmers, market researchers, financial analysts, translators, and much more. Want to know which roles it's not replacing? Well, roles where you have to be physically there to do the work. So construction workers, nurses, people leaders, and teachers are safe for now. But the next generation of AI could take some of these roles as well. But what do you think about this new AI revolution? Do you think it's a big nothing burger or the next big thing? Share your comments down below so that everyone here can be a little smarter based on what you know. So as a senior executive, how would I protect myself from the rise of AI? Simple. Number one, put ChatGPT to work for you. Number two, be sure you're focusing your time on things that AI can't and won't be able to do for a long, long time. So what is that? Well, you want to make sure to strengthen up on your human interaction skills, such as your collaboration, leadership skills, and building strong relationships at work and across your industry. Also, if you've seen many of my other videos, you know it's all about the value, baby. So while AI can help on some transactionary things like write this or draw that, you want to be delivering actual, measurable business value, think results and impact. So I have an entire video series here on YouTube on how to deliver massive value and accelerate your career success. So you definitely want to check that out after you finish this video. You don't want to miss these awesome ways you can put ChatGPT to work for you so that you can drive more success in your career. Every one of these ideas will save you time so you can deliver more value and use that to get promoted even faster. And by the way, I use ChatGPT to make this list, so let's check it out. So here are a few ways that you can use ChatGPT to help you be successful in your career. Number one, have ChatGPT write emails for you. Think of how many emails you write every day. How much time this could save you if you put ChatGPT to work to write your emails. Here's a great one. Create social media articles or posts to help you become a thought leader in your industry. This is a super powerful way to build your professional brand. Next up, create marketing materials to sell your product or service. You wouldn't believe how good some of the marketing materials can be coming from ChatGPT. Here's a great one. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming or problem solving. Give it a problem you're trying to solve at work or in your personal life, and ChatGPT will provide you with a list of options to solve it. Simple as that. Here's a powerful one. When you hear about a book recommendation and you don't have the time to read it, ask ChatGPT to summarize the key takeaways from the book, and you'll be able to digest that book in 1 minute. Game changer. Ask ChatGPT to write an FAQ or training materials for your new team members, helping them to come up the learning curve even faster. Here's a great one. If you've been given a huge long document to read or training that is just many pages, cut and paste it into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to summarize it for you. It's a huge time saver. By the way, if you're doing virtual meetings and you record the audio of these meetings, just copy and paste the transcript of that meeting into ChatGPT and ask it for a summary. You'll have a meeting summary or meeting minutes in less than 5 seconds. And did you know that Elon Musk was one of the founders of the company that created ChatGPT? Well, he is. And I don't know if you've been following the Elon Musk Twitter craziness, but Elon is doing a few things at Twitter that not only have CEOs paying very close attention, but Elon is about to affect jobs outside of Twitter and Tesla, maybe yours. Check this out to see how Elon could affect your job and a lot of others right here.